Hi. It's very simple to mark a relation type in simpliRP. Go to Relationship Management. Edit a company detailed. Click on the link for bulk update type of relationship. Select the relationship type for the party you want to configure. That's it. Now, go to Reports, Customer Reports, List of companies with status. You can see the party has been updated. You can also make simpliRP to automatically configure relationship type directly from GRN and sales invoice. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Thank you.